In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change formation on EL Fantasy. So, step one, you just have to launch this application and make sure that this one is up to date. Step two, click Fantasy and make sure that you have logged in or you have created your account. If not, you have to create one in order for you to proceed in this tutorial. Now, step three, what you're going to do is to create a team. Okay, so after you sign in, you have to create a team. And then after you have created a team, and then you can now change formation on PL Fantasy. So how are we going to do that? So let's proceed. Step 4. Okay, so you have to pick team or my team. Page should be selected. Step 5. Select a player. Step 6. The player's switch button should be clicked. Step 7. You may now see the possible options after selecting switch. Step 8. Pick a reserve player from your team who plays a different position from the one you just clicked. Step 9. On your bench, click the player you want to switch to. Now save your team or save your group. Your information will be adjusted automatically to reflect your choices. As easy as that. Okay, so once done, you can now start playing your game. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.